Welcome to our lesson about view manipulation. In order to show you how to manipulate a solid in the graphic area, first let's create an extrude. I'm going to select all of these entities and delete them. Now let's activate the rectangle tool. We'll drop a rectangle about here. Exit the sketch. And let's go to the Features tab. Activate the Extruded Boss Base command. Let's expand the part tree. Select Sketch 1. Let's make our extrude 50 millimeters. And click OK. In order to zoom in and out, you use the middle button on your mouse or the wheel. When you rotate the wheel toward yourself, you'll zoom in, and when you rotate it away from you, you'll zoom out. By the way, when you're zooming in, be sure you keep the mouse cursor on the area that you're zooming in on, otherwise the model will go off the screen. If I press down the Control key and the middle mouse button, I can pan the solid on the graphic area. Let's try that out. When I press the middle button down, I can rotate the solid button. If I select this edge, for example, with the middle button, when I hold down the middle button, the solid rotates around that selected edge. The same thing happens when I select a vertex. SolidWorks will rotate around the vertex if I'm selecting it with the middle button. Same thing applies to a face. Again, the part rotates while the face is fixed along the plane. At the top of the graphic workspace, there's a hanging toolbar of view options. Let's check out some of these. The first tool I'm going to look at is Zoom to Area. You left-click the tool and then select the area that you'd like to zoom to. The next tool is Zoom to Fit. Click this to get a view of your entire part. You can also press the F key to zoom to fit. The next button is Previous View. Let's zoom to fit again. The cube icon is where we choose a view orientation, and we've got many different options in the sub-tool flyout. Top view, isometric view, trimetric, dimetric, left, front, right, back, and bottom. Let's take an isometric view, maybe a front view. Let's go back to our previous view. The last option we're going to review is Display Style. Currently, we've got Shaded with Edges selected. The next option is Shaded. Hidden Lines Removed, Hidden Lines Visible, and Wireframe. Let's see how each of these look. Each has its uses within the respective SolidWorks environment that you're working in, and you'll see this in action later in this course. Shaded with edges is the most common display style you use while you're creating a feature. And this concludes our lesson about view manipulation in SolidWorks.